Hey everybody, Sefyuc here. Today I have made this dessert called Drooling Mountains over Brown Land. Yeah, I know it sounds Chinese, but let's start. Yeah. So I had a couple of Oreos lying here and there, and I decided why not crush them first. And yes, with a hammer, I know. Sounds embarrassing, but this was the only thing I could find. Let's start crushing them Oreos.
I'm fighting inside. I'm fighting inside.
Well, I had to get the air out of it, so yes, I used a knife out. No, I was not gonna use my hands.
I'm fighting inside.
I hope the hammer got the job done. Oh, damn, that was perfect. See? It happened to me before. Anyways, so these Oreos were not perfectly crushed when I took them out of the packet. You'll see. So my mom gave me something to crush them, I guess. That's definitely a kitchen tool, not a construction tool. Okay, yes, I remember it. It's called a pestle. Yes, mortar and pestle. And, well, it was quite easy to use, than a hammer. Alright, everybody, spoiler alert, I'm a Jedi. Always wanted to use that sound effect. Okay, gotta crack it open. I found it in the refrigerator, in the corner, somewhere in the refrigerator. That's all I know. But first, I have to check if it is still fresh or. Okay, I know it's been 2 months, but it should not have gone that bad. Ah, come on. Hmm, not so bad after all. Anyways, I got the chocolate syrup for the dressing, and yes, it's fresh. Anyways, I gotta get that ball out now. Alright, let's put the Oreos in, and I was going to crush more Oreos with a hammer, not with a pestle, but come on. Anyways, one Oreo packet was fine because the ball was kind of small. Yeah, definitely that happened. Alright, time for some ice cream. This is butterscotch ice cream, and it's not mango or any other flavor you guys would think. It's butterscotch. Well, now it's the time for real hard work. Anyways, this is my chopstick, and the hard Oreos were not going in, and I was having a pretty hard time putting them in. So I decided why not stab these Oreos with my chopstick? Hmm. Yes, much smoother now. Have some patience, people. Have some goddamn patience. Please ignore this clip. I was just trying to clean up my bowl. Nothing else. Okay, time for the syrup. I was trying to make it a maze or something. I don't know what I was just trying to do something. Now I have this moon pie or wagon wheel, whatever you guys call it. Yes, it's also called choco pie. Cut it in half and god damn, look at that marshmallow inside. This was satisfying, really satisfying. Anyways, I put the half moon pie in the whatever you call it, half made dessert, and yes, cherry on top. Literally cherry on top. And bam, it's done. It was easy to make. I hope you all liked the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Wait for my other videos and like the video, I guess. Bye.